Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show to you just simple using the variables in the Apex programming. But before starting that, I want to show to you in the developer console, if you have too much things inside of the tabs, just you can click on anyone, okay, right click and close all tabs here. And maybe you have many things inside of the logs here. We are saying the logs, and you can click in the debug and clear the log panel. Okay, from first starting, you can see your page developer console. Okay, from VS Code, we are going to Apex and right click, and I want to show to you how we can use the variable string, or we can add the integer too. The next lessons maybe. Okay, from here in the Apex folder, you are clicking right and the new file, and let's say, for example, full name. This is the camel type writing. We are saying that. And if you want anonymous, you can add here full name anonymous.apex. Okay, and enter. So after then, let's start with, for example, system debug. And you can see that debug and let's say with the semicolon, this, I'm sorry, this is full name, variable example. So as you see here, after that, let's put it the semicolon. You cannot see on some parts of the codes. There are many ways. The first one is you can close it here. If you want to see that, again, you don't see, and you are going to view, and you're clicking the word wrap. Okay, and before continue the other thing, I remember that this is my system. I set it this Visual Studio Code to auto save. I don't want to press or click that on this file inside of the save for every time, or on the keyboard Control S. For this reason, I'm going to file and click the auto save here. So then let's continue with that. Enter. Okay, firstly, if you want to type any variable, if you know that which variable you want to use, for example, for the text, we are using string and space. For example, let's say first name and the equal sign. As you see, it's changing definitely the different type, different color. And in the semicolon, person. Okay, and we are putting this here semicolon for inside of the our string. We are using the single quotation for, sorry for that. And the other thing is string last name. Okay, this is very spatial, and let's say developer. Okay, so how can I add my name and last name, first name and last name together? This also should be a string. Okay, and let's say full name, and just first here I don't want to use the name and here the last name that directly here. For this reason, we are using the first name. As you see here, you can click that or enter and plus. Okay, and the other one is last name, let's say here, and semicolon. If you want to give any space between them, if we display on the screen, if you print out, okay, let's system, sorry, for debug, and I will show on the screen full name. As you see here, I didn't use any single quotation because this is the variable. If I put it the string, I will put it, I will type it here, the single quotation. So after then, if I go to execute anonymous, or you know that from the view and the command palette, and if you put it to execute anonymous Apex with editor, and you can click that, And let's try. And you will check inside of our console. Okay, from API, it came. Okay, as you see, this is a full name variable example. And the last thing is Ersin developer. There's no any space. If you want to put it, there are some ways. First one is after name, you can put the space, or inside of the string full name, you can add it to single quotation and space. As you see here, one space we have. Okay, and let's execute again. And successfully it's created. And let's go and debug only. Yeah, Ersin and space developer. That's it. That's very easy. Okay. The other thing, maybe the other variables we will use the other lesson or the other videos. Oh, sorry for that. I'm using the lesson. That's just simple practices for me. And if you wanna put any numbers, you are using the integer. Okay. Okay. Let's say my number. The different number we can use it. That's 50. Okay. So in system debug, I'm going to plus. I'm going to write plus here and my numbers. And what you will see that full name. Okay, full name is here, and there's no any space, and my numbers. Okay, if you want to put any space here, let's put the space between them, like on the string. Okay, on the string you can put it also like that. Let's execute it again. Let's go to the developer console and look at the debug only, Ersin developer and space 50. Okay, as you see, that's it. Very easy. Maybe you can try it. Okay.